Hello my friends, welcome back to another quick tutorial videos of Tech Lover. In this video I'm just going to be showing you how to recover Facebook account that you forgot the password and also email address. So first of all, we have a very nice application which is called Samsung Pass. If you activated this application in your Android device, it will directly save the password and also the email address of your account that you logged in here on your Android device. So you can see I got my Facebook password and also email address by this application. If you don't have this, don't worry about this. I have another option which is over here on the Google. It's also kind of similar to that application. So go to click on profile, and when you click on manage your account, you will get this page. Slide to right and find out the security. On the security you will get the password manager, and you can see you will get the password and also user names that you logged in your account. So I'm going to unlock it. You can see I can see my email address, and this is not the email address which is over here on my Google, and I'm going to recover back my account now with simple way. I'm going to type Facebook, forgot password, and after that I got this one. I'm going to click to open it. Then here you go, we are going to search for our username, and we have to click on here, and after that type the username, then click on search, and after that I'm going to click to this is my account, yes, continue, and I have to choose the last one, use my Google account, then click on yes, and I'm going to choose this one, and after that here we go, we got the page that we can create our new password. So let me create my password, and after that we got this page, and just click on continue, and this is the Facebook I recovered back with the email address I just viewed from my Google password manager. So it helped me to recover back my account. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video to your friends. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, and see you on the next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends.